How to log into Microsoft Teams. Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose from Create Login and Delete. Without further ado, let's dive right into the video. To log in into Microsoft Teams, first of all, launch any web browser on your device, or simply you can also open application on your PC or mobile device. Now, using search bar on your browser, type in Microsoft Teams. And now you have to simply search for Microsoft Teams. Now from this result page, you need to select the official sites for login into Microsoft Teams. So you need to click on this first link of Microsoft Teams. Now you will land on this particular interface where you will see the sign in button at top right corner. If you don't have any accounts on Microsoft Teams, click on register now, or further you can download Teams app as well. So let's click on sign in button at top right corner of the screen. Now heading forward, you will proceed towards the login sections of Microsoft Teams. Where you will be required to enter all your credentials, and by clicking on the sign in button you will land on this chat section of Microsoft Teams. So in this way you can successfully log into your Microsoft Teams account, but remember that you must have an account already. So I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.